When it comes to learning a language, try and predict what native speaker is going to say before they say it. Now, personally, I can relate to this. If someone's saying, tomorrow I am going to something, as they're saying each word, I'm thinking, what could they be talking about? And you can sort of guess based on obviously the context of the conversation, what you're talking about already, you can guess what they're going to say. And by analyzing every single word like that or thinking about what they're going to say next, like you do in your native language, you can preempt what could be said in the target language. So if they're speaking Spanish to you, for example, talking to a native speaker, and you're listening to what they're saying, you can then think, what they're talking about the gym, they're talking about going out, talking about this, and you can fill in the blanks as they're saying each word. Now, obviously, your mind has to work quickly for this. You have to be relaxed and in a nice, friendly environment, basically, so not super rushed or in a large crowd or whatever. If you sat down talking with a native and they're speaking with you, maybe in a conversation practice or something, you can predict what they're going to say. And what that does is it gets you close to being fluent because the faster you can understand what they might say, then the faster you can respond to it. And for many people, having a slow response to native speakers can be a massive hurdle. And it can be one of the biggest struggles that people have, like wanting to reply quickly enough to a native speaker. So if you can preempt what they're going to say, you can then get yourself thinking of what words you might want to use in response and already start constructing your sentence in your target language while the native speaker is still saying their sentence to you. And that's one method you can use to appear fluent even though you might not be just yet.